The last chance. Rafi was a young boy who failed his exam 3 times. Everyone around him started losing hope. His friends moved forward in life, but he stayed behind. People whispered, "He will never succeed." Rafi felt broken inside. One night, he looked at himself in the mirror and said, "This is my last chance. I will give everything I have." From that day, everything changed. He stopped wasting time. He studied every day with full focus. He learned from his mistakes instead of fearing them. There were days he felt tired. There were nights he wanted to quit. But he remembered his promise. "I will not stop this time." Months later, the exam day came again. Rafi was nervous but also confident, because he knew he had truly tried his best. When the results came out, he passed. Not just passed, he scored higher than many others. The same people who doubted him were now praising him. Rafi smiled quietly. It was never about talent. It was about determination. Moral: your last chance can become your greatest success if you refuse to give up.